Good morning, students. Myself, Muhammad Yusuf Khan. I am taking project management for the second semester students. So, first we'll see the what is the project management, introduction to it. Okay. Project management is which the people have been undertaking projects since from the earliest days of organized human activities. In sense, the earlier days we are taking the projects undertaking. The hunting parties of our prehistoric ascenatories were projects, large complex projects such as pyramids from in the Egyptian countries, pyramids and the Great Wall of China. It were also the projects. This project management includes the process of initiation, planning, execution, control and closeout that the all project shares. As we can see, the project management consists of including the process of initiating in sense the parties, clients which are be initiating. Planning, we are planning the what to do, when to do and where to do. The parties are been allotted by the sites. Execution, the place where the site should be, the plan should be executed. Control in sense we are controlling by the staff members, engineers and all other parties like projecting manager and executing manager, accountant, everyone. And the closeout that all projects share. Closeout in sense completion of the project. We'll see the features of the project management. Project planning. First we are initiating with project planning. We are planning the project, initiating. Secondly, we are doing the documentation in sense taking the permission from the corporations, e-tendering, etc. We are doing the documentation like what are the documents we required for the doing the projects. Sharing teamwork, we are sharing the everything for the teams like executing engineer, project manager, architecture. We are sharing the work for the teams. Project tracking in sense the people who are allotted by the works are tracking by the one person. Notification, the work which we have done should be notified every day and day by day. Categorization in sense the work is divided into the subparts and subdivisions. Task given to the everyone. Task, scheduling tools, time and billing in sense the billing should be done day and day. Budget in sense what is the cost of the project should be estimated before doing. Cost dashboarding, Gantt chart, milestone and contract list. These are the features of the project management. Okay, now we can see here types of the project management. First, from project management we are going review business, plan project, control progress, managing staff, managing client relationship. We can see review business in sense what are the all aspects we can take in the review of the project management. Secondary, plan project in sense what are the plans we should do for the execution of the work. And the control progress in sense the work should be done symmetrically and economically. It should be controlled by the persons of the project management, like project manager will be handling the control progress. Managing the staff, Managing in staff in sense all the work is allotted to the different persons. Managing the staff, managing the client, how to convince the client, how to show the client what are the execution of are done. In review business cost and report. In plan project hard and soft projecting managing. Control progress, recording and reporting. Recording what are the material came to the site, how much labors are came to the site, that are recording and reporting to the higher authority. Managing the staff, selecting and leading. Who should be done to the work is selected by the managing staff and leading. Managing client and relationship, plans and problems. What are the plans of the client is done by the managing client, and what are the problems we are having with them, we can handle with them. Okay, we'll see, we have seen the introduction, what is the project management, features of the project management and the types of the project management. Okay, in next class we'll discuss about benefits of the project management, obstacles and the professions in the management. Okay, that's all for today. I'll share the notes, you write in the one notebook and make one good notes. Thank you.